Greetings everyone. So oftentimes when I wake up in the morning, one or two of these computers throughout the house will have dropped their Wi-Fi connection, and it will not restore itself. The only way to do it is to connect my KVM setup with the USB hub to the individual computer and actually disable Wi-Fi and re-enable Wi-Fi, which I alluded to or showed you in the previous video. But now I want to automate that. So I get the ID of the Wi-Fi device, and I played around a little and I created this little script. Yeah, this script. So if it fails to ping Google, it will run this script, which is this. And this is the ID. This is to bypass the confirm you really want to do this. And that's pretty much it. Now I need to, for each machine, I think I need to get they're not going to be the same. I can't just copy paste this. I have to manually create this file for each computer because it'll be a unique hardware ID, and put this into task scheduler to check, say, every 30 minutes for internet connectivity, and if it lost it, then reboot the Wi-Fi adapter. Let's see how that works.